Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. In science we learn about different types of things, different types of material and many other things. We learn about materials like cotton and wool. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubasira Miss from Mahdi School, and today we continue our lesson number 10. Our today's topic is what are safety rules. So today we again revise safety rules because some students are not learn that what is safety rule. They not understand what is safety rule. So let's start our today's lecture, and today we revise that what is safety rule, and we again revise this with that box, right? So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line, that you can if you think you can, right? So it means if you want to do any work, you have to think about it. You can if you think you can. If you think that this work I can do it, then you definitely do it, right? So the line is you can if you do it. It means you want to achieve any goal, so you have to think about this goal, that how you complete your goal. So with this beautiful line, let's start our today's lecture. Now you think in your mind that why should I put here Caesar, right? So today we learn that what is safety rules. We learn that which things are safe for us and which things are not safe for us. Then you can see here second picture, house, right? So now you think that we already learn about house in lesson number 9, right? So why I put here house picture? So today we understand that what is safety rule and where we are following this. Here you can see the picture of road, right? Now this is, you can see picture. What you see in this picture of road? You can see accidents, right? People are roaming here and there. One dog is behind one boy. You can see here how traffic police running behind the cars, right? So you can understand that it is not safe for you, this picture, right? So our lesson number 10 is keeping safe and healthy, right? So now today we learn about something new. What we learn today, we learn that what is safety rules, right? So now you think in your mind that what is safety rules. We learn about different types of rules. Some rules we follow in school, some rules we follow on road, some not written but we follow in our house also, right? So our lesson number 10 is keeping safe and healthy. So first picture you can see picture of Caesar, and you all know that if you play with Caesar, what happen with you? Maybe you cut your finger, right? So it is safe or unsafe? It is unsafe, right? So like that, in this lesson we learn about keep yourself safe. So let's start our today's first topic in this lesson, lesson number 10, keeping safe and healthy, first topic. So let's start what we learn today. So let's see what we learn today. Today we learn about safety rules. So here you can see the picture of one boy and girl, and what we learn today, we learn about safety rules. So now you think in your mind that what is safety rule, right? So let's see that what is safety rules, and we also learn that where we follow it. So our today's topic is safety rules, right? So let's see. Now you think in your mind that what is safety rule, right? So when we learn about different types of rule, like we are at home, we are at school, we are going on picnic, we are going in theaters, malls, many type of things, right? So all these places are public place, some are not public place. So whenever you go anywhere, you can see some type of rules we follow there, right? So when you are coming to school, so rule is wearing uniform, yes or no? So it is rule, right? When you are going in theater, there is other rule, right? When you are going on road, we should follow traffic rules, right? So all these things we learn. So it is rules. But here the word is safety. Safety means keep yourself safe. Now when we learn about house, we learn that house keep us safe from heat, wind, cold and rain. So you are safe from all these things. So like that, the rules which can we use, and because of that we are safe. So we called it safety rules. Now think in your mind that what is safety rules, right? So let's see what is safety rules, right? So with one game we start learning safety rules, right? So what we do? Let's play one game. It is not game, but it's like game, okay? So let's see, and from this game you can understand that why we should follow safety rules, which thing is safe for us and which thing is not safe for us, right? So let's play one game. Here what you see in box, carefully see this box now, right? Now what you see in this box, you can see here doll, you can see here scissor, you can see here blocks, you can see here teddy bear, you can see here knife, you can see here medicine, right? So it look like your toy box, but in this box, is there only toy or other things are there? Yes or no? Yes. So first we take out the things from this box, right? So let's take out the things. So first let's see what is this in box. What is this? Yes, it is teddy bear, right? Soft toy. And we learn in lesson number 9 that we get cotton from cotton plant. So in this teddy bear we feel cotton. Yes or no? I told you that we are using cotton to making many things, right? So these soft toys which you are playing, like soft toy, doll, teddy bears, smiley pillows, all these are we made from cotton, which we are using to make our pillows and bed also, right? So first thing we take out from this box is teddy bear. First what we do? First we take out the things, then we learn more about these things, right? So first thing is teddy bear. So let's see second thing. What you see? Yes, it is scissor. You can see here scissor, two scissors, black color scissor. One is open scissor, one is closed scissor. You can see here. Now what is use of scissor? We are using this scissor to cut papers, to cut things and to cut clothes also. So it is scissors. So here you can see two scissors, right? So first we take out the things, then we learn it is good for us or it is bad for us, right? So in science we learn about food. Some food is good for us when some food is not good for us. Like that, in this lesson we learn about things which is good for you, for children, and something are harmful to you, right? So Caesar. Now let's see our next thing. Doll. You can see here doll, right? So now we all are using toys to play, right? You are children, right? So here you can see the picture of doll, and girls like dolls, different type of dolls, Barbie dolls, Rapunzel, and many other dolls are in market, right? So it is doll, right? It is one toy. Now let's see our next thing. What is this? You all know about this? Yes, it is ball. So we are play with this. It is tennis ball. We are using this ball in playing tennis also, playing cricket also, right? So here you can see the picture of ball. So different types of ball we are playing, like football, handball, and it is tennis ball, right? So it is ball. Then next thing, let's see what is from this box. What is this? You can see here matchbox, a box which is very dangerous for children. Yes or no? Right? We are using this matchbox for on stove, right? So this is matchbox which is in your toy box, right? Maybe it is your toy box, right? Now let's see our next thing from this box. What is this? It is medicines. It look like gems which you eat. It look like candy, but it is not candy. It is medicine. What is this? It is medicines. So it is very dangerous for you if it is not for you, right? So here you can see the picture of medicines which you don't like, right? You don't like these medicines to eat. When you fall ill, you eat this, right? So it is medicine. Now let's see our next thing from this box. What is this? Knife. What is use of knife? This knife is using in our kitchen. Our mother or elder sister use this for cutting vegetables, right? So it is the knife which we are using in kitchen. Now let's see our next thing. What is this? It is blocks, right? So when you are playing at home, you play with some type of games like making house, making steam balls, making different type of vehicles. These are the blocks, right? Different colors box we making from these blocks. So here is the one of the toy. So it is toy which we play, right? So here is blocks. Now let's see our next thing. So what is left now? We already see the picture of medicines, teddy bear, blocks, ball, doll, matchbox, and knife, right? So what is left here? Small thing, silver color. Yes, it is safety pin. Now let's see here the picture of safety pin which we are using to tie our clothes, right? So it is safety pin. Now it is good for you or it is bad for you, we learn in this lesson, right? So what we get from this box? We get many things from this box, right? So what is this? It is safety pin. Now let's see quickly what we get from this box, right? So we get teddy bear, we get scissor, we get doll, we get ball, then we get matchbox, then we get medicine, knife, blocks and safety pin, right? So here all these things we get from this box. Now you think in your mind that why we are taking out all these things from this box. So let's see why we take out this. From this box, some things are safe for us and some are unsafe for us. Now you think in your mind that safe or unsafe, what is this? So some things are safe for you, like teddy bears and dolls and all these things, when some things are not safe for you, right? So today we learn about the things which is safe for you, right? From this activity you learn that what is safety rules and why we follow these safety rules. So let's see that which things are safe for you and which things are not safe for you. So let's see. First we take out the things and put here that what we get from this box. So we get teddy bear from this box, matchbox, then doll, ball, medicine, knife, scissor, blocks and safety. So now this all things we get from box. Yes or no? Yes. Right? Now what we have to do here? We have to write here if this thing is safe for you or which thing is not safe for you. If the thing is safe for you, I write here safe on this picture. And if this thing is not safe for you, then I put wrong mark on the picture. Now you have to tell me that what is safe for you and what is not safe for you. And from this we learn that what is safety rules, right? So wherever you are going, you have to follow these rules, right? So this is picture of one toolbox which is in house. So it means mostly all these things we see in our house. So it is the thing which we learn today, that what is safe and what is unsafe. So first picture you see on your screen is teddy bear. Now you tell me, teddy bear is a toy? Yes or no? Yes. Is it a sharp tool? No. Right? We can play it? Yes. Okay. Then we can throw on other people and other people not harm. Right? So it is safe or unsafe? Because it is toy and you are playing with it, right? So it is safe for you, right? So what we do here? We put safe mark on teddy bear. Why? Because it is a toy and we play with this toy. So I put here safe mark on teddy bear because we can play with it and it is not harm for you. Harm means it is not dangerous for you. Then second picture you can see on your screen. What is this? It is matchbox and you can see here fire also. With using this matchbox you can on your stove, right? And because of that you can burn also, right? So when you are going out of the home for crackers, right? So what you are using to blow crackers? You are using matchbox, matchstick, right? So it is very dangerous for you if you play with this matchbox and accidentally you fire the matchstick, right? And if you throw anywhere and maybe your house start burning, right? So it is very dangerous for you to play with matchstick, right or wrong? Right. So it means matchstick or matchbox is unsafe for you. So you should not play with this matchbox. So teddy bear is safe for you when matchbox is unsafe for you. So what we do? We put here wrong mark. So when thing is safe for you, we write here safe. When thing is unsafe for you, we put here wrong mark. So things on which I put wrong mark, you should not play with this at your home, right? Now next is doll. Doll is for girls, right? Girls are playing with dolls. House. Yes or no? Yes. So it is doll, right? So it is safe for you or unsafe for you for play? Yes or no? Yes. So what we do here? We write here safe because it is a toy and we can play with it and it is not dangerous for us. Then next, ball. So in market, so many type of ball and every ball we can play, right? But remember, when you play with ball that you throw it, so keep in your mind that it is not going on the people. Why? Because it is very dangerous. Because of that ball many people can injured, right? So it is safe for you to play, but you have to be careful when you play with ball because some ball are very heavy and because of that some people get hurt from this ball. You see the cricketers which are playing on campus, right? So they are playing on ground and sometimes they also injured because of that ball, right? So it is safe for you. The next is scissor, right? Black color scissor which we get from box. So what is use of scissor? We are using this scissor to cut things, to cut clothes, to cut paper and cut many other things. But is that good for you? You can play with this scissor. Just imagine if you playing with scissor and accidentally you cut the hand, your hand, if you play with your small brother or sister. So you play with it and you can cut hand of them because of scissor. It is very sharp tool, so it is not good for you, right? So our mother or our elders can use this. You cannot use this scissor because you can cut your fingers or cut your body also. So it is very dangerous for you. So that's why you should not play with scissor, right? So remember that things on which I put wrong mark, it is not safe for you. Now next is medicines. Yes or no? Now you think in your mind that why should we play with medicines? Sometimes when you take medicines and some medicines are left in box, and it is in our drawer also we put, right? So when you are a small child, you take out this box and you take out medicines, and because of these medicines you play, and if you play with it and accidentally you put this medicine in your nose, what happened with you? It stuck in your nose. You can play with this medicine, yes or no? No. If you play with this and if you stuck this medicine in your ears or in your nose, it is very dangerous for you. And if you eat these medicines, if this medicine is not for you, this medicine is others, then it is very dangerous for your body also, right? So medicine is not good for you and you should not play with medicines, right? Now, so it is dangerous for you. Then next thing, knife. We should not play with knife. We already learned that knife is very dangerous for us. In Google Meet class, we learn on Saturday, right? That we should not play with knife because it is very dangerous for you. You cut your body part with this knife. Then next, blocks. Toy block, you can play with this toy blocks, right? So it is safe for you. But you are in first standard, your small brother and sister is very small, right? So if you eat this, then you are in danger situation. So keep these blocks away from your brother and sister, small child, right? So you should keep these blocks away from your small brother and sisters, right? So we should take care of our small brother and sister, right? You are playing with it, it is okay, but you have to take care of your sister and brother also. The next thing is safety pin. So we should not play with this safety pin. Our mother or our sister using this safety pin to tie clothes or using in many way, right? So it is dangerous because you can see the sharpness of this safety pin. If you eat this, it is dangerous for you. If you put in your nose this safety pin, it is dangerous for you, and some children are using this in our ears also, right? So it is very dangerous for you, it is very harm to you. So these all things is, some are safe for you and some are unsafe for you, right? So it is safety rule that some rules we are following at our home. So it is safety rule that we should not play with safety pin. It is safety rule, yes or no? Yes. So let's see that what is safety rule. So we should follow some rules to stay healthy. Like we should not play with safety pin, yes or no? Yes. We should not touch knife, yes or no? Yes, we should not touch knives. We should not play with sharp tools. It is safety rule. And why we follow this? Because we need to stay healthy. So we should follow some rules to stay healthy. These are known as safety rules. So in previous picture you learned that some things are safe for you and some things are unsafe for you. So we should follow this rule. I told you that the things on which I put wrong mark, it is unsafe for you, right? So it is safety rule, one type of that we should not play with scissor. Why? Because it is dangerous for you. So that's why we should follow some rules to stay healthy, and these rules are known as safety rules, right? So what we called it? It is safety rule. Now you think in your mind that where we follow these rules? Yes or no? Yes? So in next lecture we learn about this. So where we follow these rules? We should follow this rule at our home. We should follow this rule at our school. The rules are different, but we should follow it, and we should follow these rules on road, because we should keep ourselves safe and healthy. So what we learn today? Today we learn about safety rules. We revise safety rules, that what are safety rules, and we also learn that some things which are in our house is safe and some are unsafe. So for keep yourself safe, you have to follow the safety rules. So I hope you revise our safety rules again and understand what we learned today. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.